Hi, I'm Leo, and today I'm at the Ranch Orthodontics to show you the process of getting a scan. We use these scanners to create 3D models that help us with our orthodontic materials. Let's head over to a dental chair and get started. I'm now sitting in a dental chair and my scan is about to start. The scanner is going to take thousands of small images of my teeth to create one larger image that we can use for our 3D models. We start with my bottom teeth, and the scanner moves across each one, continuously taking pictures. It feels slightly warm thanks to the camera, but it is not uncomfortable. To allow the scanner to capture the most accurate images possible, I open and close my mouth so it can access all the areas of my teeth and mouth. While the scanner can feel slightly weird in my mouth thanks to my tongue getting in the way, it fits quite nicely. Before we had digital scanners and 3D printers at the Ranch Orthodontics, we had to use molds. These were gooey, gross, and not as accurate as scans. Advancements in technology have allowed us to make the process less cumbersome for our patients. The 3D models created by the scanners are then transferred to the 3D printers in our lab here at the Ranch Orthodontics. The scanner continues scanning my bottom teeth, capturing many images of each one for the 3D model. Once my bottom teeth have all been scanned, the entire process is about half finished. Then we'll move on to the top. Now we'll move on to the top. The process and procedure are the same as before. Once my top teeth have all been scanned, we'll quickly scan my bite. We only scanned one side of my bite, but usually we'd scan both. Overall, my scan was quick and easy. New patients should not be worried about their scan. If you follow the instructions given by your orthodontist, I think you'll have a great experience too.